Tagshop AI just launched AI Video Agent V2, and 60-second AI UGC videos are now possible. Here is the problem that every DTC brand and performance marketer kept hitting with AI video tools. The videos are too short. 10 seconds, 15 seconds, gone before the story even starts. No hook, no build up, no payoff, just a clip and then nothing. AI Video Agent V2 changes that completely. You can now create AI UGC videos up to 60 seconds, scene by scene, without losing all your credits at once. And here is why this approach is genuinely smarter than how most AI video tools work right now. Here is exactly how it works. Step 1. Log into Tagshop AI and open AI Video Agent V2. Step 2. Type what you need. Something like, create a 60-second UGC ad for my skincare brand targeting women aged 25 to 35. Step 3. Set your duration. The agent now breaks your brief into multiple scenes automatically. Each scene is laid out clearly. You can see exactly what will be generated before anything is created. Step 4. Generate your scenes one by one. If you don't like a scene, just tell the agent. It will regenerate that scene only. You never lose all your credits at once. You only generate what you are happy with. Now, most technical AI video tools right now use a node-based canvas approach. You connect different AI models together through nodes to build your video workflow. Tools like Canvas let you chain models together. But if you are not technical, you will spend more time figuring out the workflow than actually making ads. Most founders hit that wall and give up. AI Video Agent V2 removes all of that friction. You just describe what you want, give feedback scene by scene, and the agent builds your 60-second AI UGC video around your info. Hook, problem, solution, call to action, all in one complete AI UGC video, generated scene by scene, exactly the way you want it. No nodes, no model chaining, no technical setup. Try AI Video Agent V2 free, link in bio, and follow for more AI UGC tutorials every week.